I guess this will do. Worms, check. Well, I just tore up my thumb trying to cinch down this knot. Be careful, guys. Oh yeah, it's a little flooded. Oh, fish sighted already. They are in here. Okay, we're good, we're good. Water's super clear. We actually can see some fish. Today is my 100th video, so I'm giving you something a little special. I'm here with my friend Ethan. We're gonna do a little, well, I'm gonna do a little catch and cook. Ethan's gonna help me with the catching. If you are a viewer from TikTok, make sure you go comment and I'll say hi. But anyways, got my fly rod, spinning rod, got some worms. We're just gonna try and catch some fish and then later cook them up with my recipe. All right, got the live stream going. Oh, swooping on donks is the first one to join. Oh, we got 18 online. That's pretty good. Snagmaster says hi. Okay, awesome. What am I fishing for? I'm fishing for some panfish at a local reservoir. Well, it doesn't seem like the fly is really working right now. Let's go ahead and use my ultralight. Okay, gonna take this little jig head, put a worm on here. Got the bag of worms right here. Let's pick out a nice one. Okay, that will work. These will work. Definitely gonna watch that video. Thank you, Snagmaster Gabe. Gotta first work on catching a fish though. I'm using a little jig hook right here with a worm on. Just gonna drop it down on the bottom and work it nice and easily. Took my worm. This is going on YouTube, so if you want to be featured in the video, just say hi, and I hope this will pick it up. Okay. Oh well, let's get back into fishing. Can you feature me in your video? Yeah. All right, so we got Minnesota fishing in here. Got one. No. Guys, first fish. Little perch. Gonna let this guy go. He's way too small. See you, buddy. Yeah, so to any of you guys who are watching this YouTube video, I guess, and you're on the live stream, thanks for doing that. Can you show me in the vid? Yeah, sure. Baitcaster1 said, can you show me in the vid? Yep, you're in there. It's honestly kind of hard to catch fish and live stream at the same time. All right, we're gonna catch another fish. There's one. Oh, he came off. All right, well, I think I'm gonna end this live stream just to preserve battery and also so then I can focus on catching some fish. Oh, guys, I'm sorry, but like I vlog using my phone, and if I don't have any battery, then I can't vlog. Hey, oh, there's one. That's a good one. Oh, never mind. Boom. Gonna let this guy go. He's too small. Bye. I just ended the live stream on TikTok, but anyone who is watching and is from that live stream, thank you for joining. I had to end it because I'm kind of not catching fish right now, so gonna change that. Totally focus on fishing. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good fish, whatever it is. Oh, he came off. Very cool. First bite on the fly. It's all right, you don't get all of them. All right, y'all, we're gonna fish this little fly popper. I feel like the topwater bite is gonna be better because I've been fishing subsurface this whole time. I've only had one solid take, and I think it's gonna be good because it's very cloudy right now. But yeah, let's go ahead, catch some fish. Gonna go ahead to another dock. The bites just gotten pretty good, so yeah, we're pretty happy about that. New dock, new chances of catching fish. Wow, this is a newly furnished dock too. I'm actually gonna start out with my jig head. Yes, that's a good one. Come here. Yoink. All right, I guess we'll keep this guy. All right, into the ice box. For those of you guys wondering, I have ice in there, so then it will freeze their nervous system and then kill them humanely. Dock fishing for bluegill is kind of underrated. I like it. It's a lot of fun. Oh, there's one. That's a good one. Oh, that's a perch. Yes. All right, that's a keeper, I would say. That's a really good size. Actually, you know what? On second thought, you're still a little too small, so see you, buddy. I think it's time to fly. Come on. Yeah. Oh.
Does the fish ever throw your lure off in front of you?
Yeah, all the time. Oh, dude, that was a bad. Oh. That was such a sick bite. Okay, that's a keeper for sure. All right, thanks, buddy. That was such a sick bite. Right here. Boom. All right, watch.
You just see them all come up at the same. That's cool. Oh, I'm hot and tired.
Oh. Ooh, that was a nice take. Not gonna lie. Oh. Boom. So sick. These bites are insane. All right. That is not how you handle a fly fish. So there we go. That's another fish for the books. You want to just fish this? Here, take it. Yes! Ha ha ha! Very nice fight this one puts up. However, you are small and I do not want to fillet you or gut you because that will take a lot of effort. So goodbye. Well guys, the bite has slowed down and I'm out of GoPro batteries, so just stuck here jigging little curly tail growth. Oh, I can't wait. The fish is gonna taste good tonight. Comment down if you've ever eaten bluegill and let me know, what's your favorite fish to eat? All right guys, I'm so pooped. I think we're gonna start heading back. This is today's haul. I think 6 bluegill. Welcome to the first segment of In the Kitchen with FisherYin. As you can see, I got the bluegill laid perfectly nicely on the plate. Some of them are still breathing, but I can assure you they will be dead in a second. Next up, we got the spices lined up from shortest to tallest. They are all ready to go. I got a lucky FisherYin hat, and of course, scientifically proven, a floral apron will make you a better cook. Get the bluegill on here. Time to scale them. This is a fish scaler. You can also use the back of a knife if you want. It works the same way. Wait a second. YouTube does not like seeing cleaning videos, but you know what? I'm not even monetized, so it doesn't matter. I'm gonna show you the whole process. The motion is very simple. You just push up and hold the fish still, and the scales just come flying off magically. So once you have your bluegill nice and scaled, what you want to do, get a pair of scissors. I like to clip these fins because they're kind of hard to eat. Some people like to eat the tail, so you can leave that on if you want. However, this fin right here is way too hard to actually eat, and you just want to cut it straight off. So once you've cut off all the fins, it should look something like this. It is nice and ready to go. Next step is just to simply gut them. And be careful when you guys are doing this. Don't cut yourself. Insert into this belly right here and then just cut straight up. Put my scissors in here and cut directly up to the gills. So once you cut it open like this, there's gonna be an air bladder down there. So you're gonna want to insert your finger and pop that thing, and then just in a scooping motion, scoop all of those guts out. It does take a little bit of strength, but as you can see, as I pull it, the gills also come free. Next step is just rinse this guy clean, and then he is basically ready to go. Check out that white meat there. That looks so delicious. So the reason I'm not really filleting this is there's not that much meat on it anyways. You would just be wasting your time doing that. So I'm just gonna actually cook this a different way. Wrap it in tin foil and put spices on it. Alrighty everybody, these guys are all ready to be cooked up. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and add some lemon juice. This will get rid of some of the fishy taste and also help the other spices stick really well on them. So I wanna flavor the inside, and you can just directly pour it into the belly. Next up, I want a concoction of both Old Bay and pepper. Sprinkle nice and generously, because when the heat is added, the spices actually kind of lose their flavor. Get a little salt right here. Sugar, just a little bit. Don't want to go too much. I really like lemon pepper. This thing really helps get the fishy taste out of it. This thing's a little odd. This is cinnamon. You don't have to add this, but I'm just gonna go a little sprinkle. Now that that's all ready, all you gotta do is wrap this thing up. Try not to let the juices come out. You wanna keep that in as much as possible. The fish will absorb all that good flavor. There we go. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead, repeat the same process over again, and we will see you in the next step. So we have it set on bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're just gonna toss our fish inside here and go ahead and cook them for, I'd say, 20 minutes. Let's play it safe. And now, we just wait. Oh, that smells good. All right, let's go ahead, get it on this cutting board. Oh, this is gonna be hot. Gotta focus, can't look at the camera too much. Hot. There we go, that's one. Don't do this at home. Just use the oven mitt. There we go. This is nice and hot. So we're gonna unwrap this. Oh, dude, there's steam coming out of that. That is so ready. I don't know if you guys can see the steam or not, but oh, smells great. All right, so as you can see, is all ready to go. And let me just say a quick prayer and thank God for providing us with this fish. All right, let's get into this. Oh yeah, that looks good already. That white meat just comes directly off. It is a little bony, so that's the only downside about this recipe, but check that out. Okay, first bite, here it goes. I could have done a better job with the scaling of the fish, because I did taste some scales in there, but other than that, the flavor is phenomenal. Here it goes, another bite of that delicious fish. Guys, lemon juice, you gotta put it on your fish. I don't taste any fishiness out of this bluegill at all. All right, camera person wants some. All right, here you go. How do you like it? Good, all right, cool. Well guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for all this support. We're now at 1.4K subscribers. That is amazing. So yeah, this is the 100th video special of FisherYin. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, fish for the adventure.